Make sure the door is shut. Today is a very cold, icy day. I can't even get my gate open. Oh my God, this is ridiculous. I can't even get my gate open, so I guess I'll go through the front. Yes, so as I was saying, today is a very cold, icy day, and basically everything is covered with ice. We've been having freezing rain and very cold temperatures, and I have to go out driving today. So like, look behind me. It's beautiful, but that's all ice covered trees, leaves, branches, and of course, ice covered walkway. And as we just discovered, ice sealed deck gate, so I can't use that. But yeah, so I'm supposed to be getting myself ready to head out because I'm finally starting my so-called FZ build. It's not really a build, it's just some basic modifications. So yeah, this is my Yamaha FZ-07, and what do you know, the key's still in the ignition. Smart move. And as you might recall from a couple videos ago, I bought a modification for it, but it was stolen right out from my mailbox.
I bought my first mod for the Yamaha FZ-07, and I just discovered that it was stolen.
And so I have the next modification, which involved the seats. So I came out here today in about 0-degree weather, my hands are freezing, to take the seats off. First step is getting this guy rolled out a bit. Julie is apparently starting her car in the background, which freaked me out. Alright, that should do it. Just need a little bit more room. So getting the back seat pad off is pretty easy. Just pop the key in, turn it, and then pop the rear seat off. Now the main seat is a little more involved, but not too bad. Just gotta peel up this edge right here, get an Allen wrench in there, and then start unscrewing. Alright, so that's one. Now for this one, the same deal. Oh, wrong way. Good job. I feel like I was just barely doing this.
I mean, it's like I was just here yesterday. You were here yesterday, buddy. You were. Amazing, isn't it?
Alright, and now seat comes off. And for safekeeping of the bolts, I'm just gonna put them right back in. Alright, into the trunk these things go. Our driveway is just absolute crap. All right, we made it out of the driveway. That's success number one for the day. It occurred to me that I'm not sure I even explained what this whole bike mod thing is about. Basically, I took the FZ's seats off because I have some new covers to put on them. So the FZ modification process is underway, and this is the first one. Some nice new seat covers. Hopefully they'll add a little extra cushion too. Maybe not, but they'll at least look cool. I was thinking about trying to put on new covers myself, but I started to read up on this kind of stuff, and it said you might have to reshape them and heat them up and stretch them out, and my to-do list is way too long as it is. So I figured I'd let someone else do it, and so I found a really nice upholstery shop not too far from my house, and it's a nice local business. I like supporting local businesses, and this is a really cool shop. It does boat cushions, motorcycle seats, motorcycle patches. This is a great little find. It works out for me, it works out for them. I get something checked off my to-do list. At the same time, a local business gets supported. So that's where I'm headed, and thankfully, even though everything was pretty much iced over, our house is still somewhat iced over. The roads are super nice, super clear. Well, maybe not nice. They're not nice. They're crappy, but not bad crappy. They're just crappy. So yeah, that's where I'm headed to today. I'm really excited. I've been wanting to do this seat thing for a long, long time. The covers weren't necessarily cheap, so yeah, it's just one of those things. You gotta pay to play, and I finally paid, so now I'm gonna have some nice new seat covers. So yeah, I got the cushions in the trunk. I think I got the other things in the trunk. Let's hope that I have the seat covers in the truck. All right, here we go. I'm not sure how the parking works around here. There we go. Boat cushions, motorcycle seats, canvas repairs. Pretty good deal. Let's go in.
Time goes by so slowly.
Pretty cool. Pretty cool. I have to say, that is a really cool spot. I'm super excited to see what the new seats look like. And when I say new seats, I mean the seats with the new seat covers on them. It'll make the seats look so much better. It'll really spruce up the look of the FZ in general. Yeah, it's gonna be a nice little visual upgrade for the FZ. No performance stuff yet, but we're getting to that point. Come on, you cars. But anyways, yeah, once I got some of the aesthetic modifications done, then we'll start moving into some performance stuff. So yeah, with that, I guess the FZ build.
Can I just stop you right there for a second? When people do this, I don't really know what that means.
Is officially underway, and now I got a bunch of other errands to run. Yeah, this is my turn. Watch out for the Mini Cooper.